Thank you for your purchase on Funride toys, Panther. Sleek and sturdy, the Panther gives you a comfortable and joyous ride. Let's begin assembling it with the main body. First, fix the rear mudguard to the main body. All screws must be locked in place very well. Next, the seat needs to be fixed in position as shown. Fix it in place with the help of the given screws. Let us now put together the front part of the Panther. Place the complete front wheel and the handle together. Fix the handle properly with the help of the flower nut lock button. Now insert 2 batteries in the handle for the Panther to run smoothly. Now place the rear wheels to the main body with the help of the axle pin. And then place the rear wheel caps on the rear wheels. And the Panther is all set to be used now. Fun ride, a ride of happiness.